G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. This one's a special one. Matt's finally got a truck. Him and his dad have been working on this Lux for quite some time and it has come out awesome. So Matt's going to take us around it quickly and then we're going to do some more testing with it. So let's get into it. So what have we got, Matt?
Right, so obviously starting with the really obvious, we can see that it is a battered old Hilux. It's got a Holden Commodore engine in it and 80 series axles, so nothing new or fancy there. Fairly old school style truck, but you know, it's still cool. I'm not going to go telling you all the details about it. We'll do a full walkthrough video on the truck at some point, probably when it's finished, because at this point it's sort of at that stage of yes, it's running, but we wouldn't exactly call it finished, but it's still an excuse to go for a play, so why would you not? So obviously, like I said, Dad and I have been working on this truck for the last 2 years. Just want to thank a couple of people that have been helping us build it. That would be Rick and Brian. Without them we wouldn't be anywhere near where we are today, so just want to say a huge shout out to Rick and Brian. Thanks for all the help you guys have given us and all the hours you've put into making it what it is today. But it is, should be in the next few videos on the channel, so hopefully you like it.
So yeah guys, as Matt said, very cool truck, supercharged Commodore motor, so that's definitely something new to the channel because never had anything like that before. And yeah, we're doing a quick test day right now, or test evening. We're going over to the coast this Easter, so stay tuned for heaps of videos coming up. I think we're going to have like 4 days over there with my truck, obviously the Lux, and one other very cool wee truck which I think you've seen on the channel a couple of times but never up close. So it's going to be a really good time. Anyway, I think we'll continue on doing a bit more testing and yeah, keep having fun. Right guys, and obviously I've got Lando out here too, as you saw me have a quick stab at that climb. So since you last saw it in the last update where I was putting the chromoly axle in, well I've now got both sides in and the drive flanges are here, so huge thanks to Ashley over at Mainland Rover for getting those drive flanges to me so I could get the job done. I've still got the stock axles in the back, but they're waiting to go in, so that's tomorrow night's job, and then we pack and go to the coast. So as I say, heaps coming, I'm super excited. Anyway, we're gonna go find the river and have more of a play. There we go, that's how it's done. Nice! Understeering. Safe to say the Lux has gone great.
I do like the way that top suspension lets it walk up.
Yeah, oh, it's awesome.
See, I'm just used to the surf, it's got about an inch of suspension grip.
front end pushes a wee bit.
That's a success for the new axle. Definitely needed all of that testing. Far out, guys, I have missed that. It has been, apart from the Waipara River run, which we took Lando on, which was a bit of a flop because we blew the CV very, very early on. It has been, it's been like 3-4 months since I last had Lando out. It was Christmas last year, so and we're in late March, so yeah, ages. Anyway, it's yeah, really, really good to be back in it, back of it running as good as ever. Just, yeah, I'm so happy to have that thing back together, and yeah, even more excited to have those 2 trucks going over the coast, so it's going to be good. Well, I'm going to call that a successful test. We're going to head back now. There'll be plenty more wheeling on the way back, I'm sure. But for those of you who missed it, I can't remember if I showed you, those are the new Terra Firma drive flanges. So it's really good to have those on. Yeah, can finally start driving a little bit more aggressively now that there's chrome ollies in the front locker. A few people in the last video were asking, oh, you were saying, oh, now you're just going to blow your front diff. Hopefully not. It's got a upgraded locker in it, 4-pin with bigger pins as well, so should be alright. Anyway, I'm going to go catch up to the Lux. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a good wee play down the Waimak. Probably only an hour, but good to test out the truck and introduce the Lux to the channel. Oh, it's very cool, very cool. Anyway, I think we'll wrap it up here. Thanks so much for watching. Bit of a shorter video today, sorry, but I really wanted to get something out for you guys because at the time you're watching this, we will be on the coast, so I can't wait for that. 4 days of coast trips coming up, so yeah, stay tuned for that by hitting subscribe. Give us a like and let us know what you think of the Lux. And yeah, we'll catch you all on the next one. Anything you want to say?
Yep, so like I mentioned earlier at the start of the video, Rick and Brian, they helped us out with building the truck. If you want to go check out some of the other stuff that they do, you can find them on Facebook at Team Outlaw Racing, I think.
I'll leave a link in the description.
Something like that, I'm sure we can find it for you. But yeah, cheers for watching, I guess.
Yep, we'll catch you in the next one. We'll see you then.
You're filming, aren't you? Okay.